Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix the Adobe installation errors like the error 182, 172 or 151 or any sorry installation failed message you get when installing Adobe apps. So this error usually happens because of outdated Windows or maybe unsupported GPU drivers, damaged Creative Cloud files, or some missing system components. Here I'm going to show you the easiest fixes for it. So the first steps that you can do is update your Windows. You can go to the settings on your computer and here go to the Windows Update and then tap on check for updates. So most Adobe errors disappear just by updating the system. You can try this to fix the error 182 because this alone fixes error for many users. After you install the updates, you can just restart your PC. And the next step, you need to update or reinstall the GPU drivers. So Adobe apps depend heavily on your graphics driver. If you use AMD like I do, you'll need to update from the AMD Adrenaline. Because if your GPU is too old, Adobe may block installations and this triggers error 172 or 151. And next one, you can do the repair Adobe Creative Cloud. So if Creative Cloud is corrupted, Adobe apps cannot install. You can just open the Creative Cloud, go to the Help, and select Repair or Uninstall. Choose Repair, and let it reinstall automatically. So this will reset all broken components. And next one, you need to delete the broken Adobe files because sometimes leftover files cause conflicts. You can just, after that, reinstall the Creative Cloud again. And next one, your firewall maybe or the antivirus can block the Adobe's installer. You can try to turn off the Windows Defender real-time protections and then disable the third-party antivirus or pause the Windows firewall. And after installing the Adobe, you can turn them back on. And if nothing works, you can use the Adobe's official Cleaner Tool. You can just search on your browser, search for Adobe Creative Cloud Cleaner Tool. This one in here, and then here you can just download it from the Adobe Help Center. And just run it as admin, select the Adobe apps to remove and restart and reinstall the Creative Cloud. So this is the strongest fix for stubborn errors. So that's pretty much it. Those are the easiest way to fix Adobe installation errors. If this helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe and comment, and also click on the thanks. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.